Hey guys, it's Felix here. Some of you might know me from my Amazon FBA YouTube channel, Felix the Amazon Cat. And over the last couple of years, I've made over 570 grand in profit just reselling products online. But today, I want to introduce you guys to something even bigger than that. Now, this is the first video on the LiveCops YouTube channel. LiveCops is one of the longest running reseller communities in the entirety of the UK. It was founded all the way back in 2020. I've just recently joined as one of the new owners of LiveCops, and I'm going to be taking this group to a whole new level. Reselling has obviously changed a huge amount over the years. At the start, we were flipping stuff like trainers and games consoles. Nowadays, honestly, we do a bit of everything. We've got a big focus on Amazon FBA, but if Amazon's not for you, we've also got eBay flips. We've got various low-key flips. I mean, really, it's the most random stuff that just resells for a profit. I'm talking jacuzzis, barbecues, the most random items you can always make profit in. We're doing Pokémon flips as well now, and just so much more. If you're in the business of just reselling stuff online, then LiveCops is the place to be. We have a huge team of staff that ping out all of these deals to our members, and we've also got cutting-edge bots that sweep the internet and pull through any profitable items and display that for our members. And the combination of having this personal touch, of having the staff personally reviewing the deals, as well as robots crawling the internet and finding the most obscure flips for our members, means that everyone can make a huge amount of profit from the information that we give out in the group. So LiveCops operates in two parts. We've got a free community as well as a paid community. So let me walk you through both of these and explain a little bit about what we offer in each tier. So first, let's talk about the new LiveCops free community. So one of the first things that I did as one of the new owners of LiveCops is open up a free community for resellers. This means you no longer have to pay a monthly subscription fee if you just want the absolute basics. You can join LiveCops completely for free, and you still get all the perks of having a good reseller community to talk to, get a few free pointers on how to get started, and you'll get access to loads of information and guides to help you on your reseller journey. So let's have a look at what you'll actually see when you first join the free LiveCops community. So the first thing you'll see is our 3-step program, where we're going to first get you set up with a limited company. So that just gives you the legal framework to actually start reselling and just ensures that you pay as little tax as possible. Because the worst thing you want to do is make a load of profit and have to give 45% to the government. You want to keep that profit in your own pocket by making a limited company. So we'll walk you through this whole step. We're able to assist you with that, but it's really easy. You just sign up through Tide. It's the cheapest way to get a company incorporated, and you only have to pay £15 for setup. Now, once you've got Tide set up, we can then help you get a business bank account set up. So Tide will actually give you a business bank, but we really don't recommend using them. They've got really terrible fees. And I myself have had money locked away by Tide for months and months. So I definitely recommend using Revolut and getting set up through this method instead. And as part of that, once you follow that process, you'll actually even gain 3 months of free access to the LiveCops paid community, which is worth over £150. So already, all you've got to do is join for free, and we will even let you into the paid community for free as well, as long as you just follow our step-by-step guide for getting started. And once you've then got that business bank set up and your company set up, you're ready to start making profit. Now, we mainly focus on Amazon FBA in LiveCops, as we've found it's just the easiest and most scalable method to making serious money online flipping items. And as part of our 3-step program, we'll give you access to 100+ different profitable suppliers, including our personal favorite, a wholesale site called Cogita. Cogita is widely used by a lot of different Amazon sellers, and we have tools in the paid community as well that allow you to really easily research products on the website, find out about all the latest price drops, and just capitalize on the services that they offer. So we also have a partnership with this site, and we're able to get you guys £100 off your first order, and we'll also give you your first profitable product to buy from their site. So with absolutely no effort required from your part, we'll get you a £100 discount. We'll secure you a profitable product to get selling on Amazon straight away, and give you a massive list of other suppliers to take a look at to get started with your journey. And even better than that, once you've done this, we'll also give you another free month in the paid community. And that means you get the value of £200 worth of paid membership completely for free, on top of already being given straight away profitable products to sell and a massive list of suppliers. There are no other groups in the UK right now offering this level of value completely for free. So if you've not yet started reselling, click the link at the top of the video description or scan the QR code on screen now to join the free LiveCops community, and we'll get you set up with absolutely everything. Now, once you've passed our 3-step program, we'll then give you access to the full free community. You'll have access to all the chat channels to associate yourselves with other sellers. You'll have access to information about Cogita, as well as loads of free guides for setup. So now let's talk about the paid community. So of course, you can just sign up straight away. It's £49 per month to join the paid community. But obviously, if you're completely new to this and you go through our 3-step program to getting started with selling on Amazon, you will actually just gain 4 months access to the paid community with no extra subscription fees. But however you join, this is the community that you'll get access to. So you'll get access to a huge amount of guides on getting started. We run regular giveaways as well. We offer live flip alerts for stuff that you can sell on eBay, as well as Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, and other markets. We offer a huge range of A2A monitors, so we'll offer monitors for just tracking the UK market, as well as European marketplaces as well. So you can see here, we've got monitors that monitor, for example, the French Amazon marketplace, where you can pick up products from Amazon.fr, import them into the UK, and then sell them for a really good profit. Amazon to Amazon is basically where you're just buying products from Amazon at a cheaper price to sell at the full retail price. So, you know, this deal, for example, this Baba Bliss Straight and Curl Brilliance hair straighteners, they're currently at £30, whilst the 90-day average price is £53. And we give you all the information you need, such as monthly sales, the price history, and everything else you would need to flip that product for a profit. We also give out a large amount of online arbitrage leads. For example, here we've got the Amazon Leads channel, as well as the Lead Raffles channel. In those channels, we'll be giving out products that you can buy from retailers' websites to sell right back onto Amazon at a much higher price, with very minimal effort required from you, because we're literally just giving you the leads. We also offer software that allows you to check stock in various UK retailers at certain supermarkets, as well as pinging profitable deals at various big box UK retailers. And you can go straight into these stores, find these products that we're pinging, buy them, and then flip them for a profit on Amazon. We also offer a storefront bot for free to all members included in the subscription. This allows you to track other Amazon competitors, find out what they're selling, and then find out where they're buying it from. We also have a section dedicated to just Cogita leads, where we've got the wonderful Chris, who'll be giving out loads of leads in that channel, as well as automated software that you'll see here that will ping profitable products, as well as offering you a list of profitable price drops that you can then check through and buy to sell on Amazon. We're one of the only UK groups to offer these kind of features for this website, and it's definitely something that we've seen a lot of members take advantage of and make a lot of profit from. And that's not all. We've got student discount bots, bots for automating your eBay listings, loads of written and video guides on sourcing, scaling, and outsourcing, discounts to various bits of software, as well as one-to-one mentorship. We're always looking to improve the group, add new software, add new categories, and over the next few months, we've got loads of features in the pipeline. So I'm sure by the time you're watching this video, we'll be offering even more value to our members. So what can you expect from the new LiveCops YouTube channel? So we're going to be giving you guys a whole bunch of free tutorials on how to get started flipping products, whether that's on Amazon or eBay or somewhere else completely. We're going to give you some behind the scenes look into the paid community on LiveCops. We're going to be showing you guys some case studies from the group, so we have some interviews with current members, and just generally loads and loads of free value to get you started on your reselling journey. Some of it's going to be beginner friendly, some of it's going to be more advanced, but either way, it's always going to be straight to the point. So make sure to smash that subscribe button to keep updated with all the latest videos. So if you're serious about reselling in 2025, then LiveCops is the cheat code to do that. Join the free community today. It literally costs nothing and it takes 2 minutes to sign up. And before long, you'll be flipping your first product. And if you're already in the game and you want access to the best tools in the UK, then join the paid community and you'll get access to all of the bots and systems that we've been building since 2020. So make sure to subscribe to this channel now, because we're going to be coming out with a huge amount of content over the next few months and more. And we'll be showing you how to turn reselling into a real income stream, just like I have and just like hundreds of our members have over the past few years. I'm really excited for the future of LiveCops, and I hope that you guys are too, and I'll see you in the next one.